Coupons and deals website are very popular and it is getting popularity day by day, and yes, if you are strategic enough you can earn huge amount of money with the help of coupon website, because everyone loves coupon, everyone loves different kind of offers, different kind of offs, and yes, people like me, those people who are always looking for different kind of offs, they will always visit this kind of website. So in this video I'll show you how you can generate money by creating a coupon website or maybe deals website, and the best part is for that you don't have to get any of the niche and you can literally promote any of affiliate websites, any of affiliate links, any of affiliate promotions or products, anything. You don't have to worry for any kind of niche or anything. So make sure you people watch the full video, and yes, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I want to welcome you guys. I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool ways by which you can generate your first income over online. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. And most important part, make sure you people watch the full video so that you can get the whole amount of value. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you what you have to do and how you can make a coupon website and the whole strategy behind a coupon website and how you can generate money with the help of your coupon website. Alright guys, now I'll show you exactly how you can coupon website, and at the end of the video you will be having a blueprint. If you follow exact the strategies, exact ways by which you can generally earn nearly around 500 to 600 per month, even if you are starting from the very beginning. Okay, so initially in order to create a website we will need a domain name and hosting. So for that I highly recommend you people to get a good hosting. So hosting should be powerful because you will have a lot of traffic on your website, and yes, they are also providing free of cost domain name, free of cost SSL certificate, and one-click installation of WordPress. So this is pretty simple thing, and I highly recommend you people to get a hosting from this particular website, because I have couple of other websites which are run mostly on Bluehost and SiteGround as well. And yes, also at the end of the video I'll give you one free bonus. Those people who want to claim the free bonus, make sure you people watch the complete video, and also you will have a huge amount of value to understand, and you at least you can know how coupon websites works. Okay, so initially if I take any example of any coupon website, maybe Coupon Raja, maybe Coupon Guru, or maybe Coupon Dunia, or anything XYZ, any number of coupon website, the whole ultimate functionality is same thing only. So these are all they are giving affiliate links, and you can simply create a website something like that, and you also can earn huge amount of money. And yes, understand one thing, coupon website is very dynamic, and the thing is that you can literally promote anything and everything. So there should not be any niche or something like that. So maybe you can promote health and fitness related products, or maybe hosting, maybe domain, maybe any software products, maybe any physical products, anything means anything. Okay, so these are all things what you can do, and you can generally earn huge amount of money. And yes, also understand one thing, ranking any coupon website is little bit tough because there is huge competition. Okay, so but thing is that if there is competition means people are earning huge amount of money. So it is not, maybe it will take couple of months, or maybe it will take years to rank your website on Google. But yes, understand one thing, if you have small amount of targeted traffic, then also you can generate good amount of sales. Okay, this is how coupon websites works, and how you can also create a website like this, and you can literally earn good amount of referral fee, good amount of affiliate commission. So say something, for example, I am on the website of Coupon Guru and I am clicking on amazon.in. that is basically affiliate link of this coupon website. And yes, once anyone will click on this website, it will direct you to Amazon website, and here we can see this is their affiliate link, affiliate ID Coupon Guru -21. This is Amazon affiliate ID. Okay, so this is how Amazon coupon websites works, and you can literally earn good amount of money if you know the strategic ways. Okay, so after you select your domain name, and if you buy your hosting, then the next part you have to install perfect theme I highly prefer Envato Marketplace, and I generally buy themes from this website. And if you simply search with the help of a keyword coupon, then after that if you search, you will get plenty of coupon themes which is up to the mark actually, and you can literally create your website with the help of this coupon themes. Okay, so say something, for example, if I take any of the example here, you can just change all your categories and all the coupon links. Here you can change the shops. In the same way, you have to customize the theme, and you can literally create your first website, coupon website. So maybe you can hire someone from Fiverr, and you can ask them that I need a coupon website, and you can give some reference like I need a website like this, or maybe this. You can give some reference, and according to that they will quote and they will create your website. Okay, and yes, understand one thing is this is your business and you are creating your business, and you have to invest some money in order to generate some money. Okay, so initially after buying the theme and the hosting, you have to register yourself and in different affiliate marketplaces. Okay, so say for something, for example, you have to register on Amazon.in, Flipkart affiliate program, Myntra affiliate program, and this is how you have to join for affiliates, and you can get affiliate links and which you can put on your website, on the coupon website. Okay, this is how you have to register, and there are a lot of affiliate marketplaces. If you simply Google affiliate networks or affiliate marketplaces in India or maybe in your country, so you can simply join for different affiliate marketplace. Say something, for example, as Amazon is one affiliate marketplace, then Bcommission is one of India's top affiliate networking marketplace, but still I don't use affiliate marketing, and yes, you will get good amount of revenue if you can promote their products. Okay, and one more affiliate marketplace is Rakuten Marketing. They are enrolled with very big companies like Udemy and Skillshare. They have good reputation, and you will get plenty of offers, plenty of products from this marketplace. Okay, so this is how you have to register on different marketplace, and you have to join. And after that, most important part, you have to create a landing page where you can just take their email IDs. Okay, because if you are not creating any email list, then you cannot retarget them by doing email marketing. So generally for email marketing, I use Aweber, and you will get 14 days of free trial. I'll give you the link in the description. You can just check it out. This is the software what I use for my personal email marketing for the different websites. Okay, after that you have to join different competitors email list. Why you have to join? Say for example, you are creating a coupon website. Say something, for example, GoDaddy is giving this coupon code, or maybe HostGator is giving this coupon code. So you will have idea if you just keep a tab on competitors social medias or competitors email list. So this is how for your purpose. And if you don't know how to create the email, so you can take some of the reference from your competitors website or maybe competitors emails, so you can create your first email campaign. This is so easy, and you don't have to worry for anything. Okay, and yes, one more thing, you have to work on SEO, but do not depend upon the paid traffic, free traffic. Why I'm saying? Because it will take a long time to rank on SEO. But yes, initially if you need a growth in future for your website, for your business, you need to work on SEO simultaneously. But my motto is you don't depend on free traffic or organic traffic, because competition is really very high. If you just can work, you can rank your website, or maybe you can outsource the whole work to some other digital marketing companies, or maybe those people who are doing SEO, or maybe you can hire someone from different freelancing websites as well. Okay, so initially you have to market your website wherever it's possible. Maybe you have to create social media pages, maybe YouTube or Facebook fan page, or maybe Instagram page. So you have to promote your website, and you have to get some backlinks, so it will be easier to rank on Google, Yahoo, or maybe from Bing as well. So all the search engines. Okay, so and also you can create an app. If you simply search on YouTube how to create an app from website, you will get plenty of videos. It is very easy, but still if you don't have any idea, you can hire someone on Fiverr, and they are literally charging $50, maybe $100, $60 somewhere. It is cheap, but thing is that if you can promote your product, and this is your product, right? Coupon website you are creating, you are putting your energy, efforts, money. This is your product, what you want to launch. Now the main question, how you can earn around 500 to 600 per month. Okay, as I said, a coupon website is very broad niche and you can literally promote any of the products. There's something like maybe they are promoting different kind of banking products, or maybe they are promoting, maybe also you can promote different travel website or maybe hotel booking things. And so there is no specific niche basically, and you can literally sell any of the product. So say something, for example, you are promoting any hosting offer, that is Bluehost, and Bluehost is giving $65 once they complete the first sign up. Okay, so if you are promoting maybe if you are generating maybe 10 sales, so nearly around you are generating $650 per month with the help of affiliate website, with the help of a coupon website. And this is how you can create your six-figure business. And there are a lot of people who are earning huge amount of money with the help of coupon websites. Okay, and now what is the free bonus? So just beneath of the video I'll give you the link of Bluehost, where you will get free domain and SSL certificate, and this is my affiliate link. If you just buy from this affiliate link, after you purchase your domain and hosting, you will get one confirmation email. So you have to forward this confirmation email to my email address, that is contact@tapeshchowdhury.com, and within 24 hours I'll give you one full course of free of cost, that is WordPress tutorial. Those people who don't know how to create a website, they can create their first website, which is worth of $97, and I'll give you for free of cost within 24 hours of sending me the receipt. Building a site on WordPress is very easy. You have to simply get a domain name, you have to simply get a hosting, and that's all. And as I showed in the video, you have to get a theme what is relevant to coupons or discounts, and yes, you can find different other themes as well, and yes, you can build your own first coupon website. And yes, most important part, this is very important. If you want to generate good amount of money, good in the sense of big amount of money, nearly around $1,000 per month, you can easily earn with the help of coupon website. If it is gets ranking on Google's maybe first or second pages, then there are a lot of chances that you will get huge amount of traffic and you can literally earn huge amount of money. There is no limit. And yes, those people who are coupon freak like me, they will always visit this kind of website. You have to just take initiative and to build your first website. In the description I have given the link of Bluehost, and yes, once you see traffic is visiting on your website, you will be able to convert the traffic into your affiliate commissions. This is so easy and powerful. Yes, if you want, you can start making money from today itself. So I hope I was able to give a clear vision how you can make money with the help of coupon website. If you want to learn more strategies, much more about advanced thing about affiliate marketing, make sure you people subscribe to my channel and also press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos, I can send notification to you people. If you have any concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me out on Instagram. I'll try my level best to help out you people. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. I'll meet you in the next video.